beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard contents for Tamil medium and English medium students. Make use of it, students. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about algebra. First, we have to know about variables, constants and coefficients. What is variable? A quantity which can take various numerical value, that is known as a variable. So other name literal. So how we have to denote the variable in algebra? So we have to take any alphabet letters, small alphabet letters A to Z. Next, constant. A quantity which has a fixed numerical value, that is number, is called a constant. For example, you take it as 3, minus 25, 12 by 13 and 8.9 are constants. Next, numerical expression. That means combination of numbers formed by using the arithmetic operation, that is plus, minus, multiply, divide, that is arithmetic operations, is called a numerical expression or an arithmetic expression. For example, you take it as 3 plus bracket of 4 into 5 and next 5 minus 4 into 2 bracket of 7 into 9 closing bracket divided by 5. These are arithmetic expression or numerical expression. Next, algebraic expression. That means an algebraic expression is a combination of variables, that is a small abc to z and any number, constants, connected by an arithmetic operations. Next, term. Term means a constant or a variable or a product of a constant, that is multiply and one or more variables. So here that algebraic expression, here you see 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Here what are the terms? 3x squared, 3x and minus 5 are called the terms. So a term may be any one of the following. Here you see a constant such as any number also a term. A variable x, a, p, y, that is a to z also a term. A product of two more variables such as x, y, p, q, that means a into b into c, and a product of constant and a variable or variables, that is here that is constant, here variable. So 5x comma minus 7pq comma 3abc, anyone is the term. So next we consider the term minus 6ab. So here product of three factors minus 6 into a into b. So also we can write it as minus 6a into b minus 6b into a minus 6 into ab. If you multiply, you get it minus 6ab. So next, the coefficient of a is minus 6b. The coefficient of b is minus 6a. The coefficient of ab is minus 6. Next, like terms and unlike terms. Like term means having the same variable or product of variable with the same power are called like terms. Powers About powers I will explain in detail next class. So terms having different variable or product of variables with a different powers are called unlike terms. Here you see product of variable or same variable x minus 5x. Here also the same variable 9x also same variable x. They are called like terms. And 6x comma 6y different variable x and y are unlike terms. Next, we shall discuss about practice problem. Here, given statement, we have to change into expression. Expression means algebraic expression. Here, what is the statement? 5 added to y. Y is the variable. Added means plus. So, y plus 5 is the answer. Next, 8 subtracted from n. N is the variable. So, n minus 8. Next one, 12 multiplied by x. Multiply means product. 12 into x, that is 12x. P divided by 3. So, P by 3. So, we have to change it statement to algebraic expression or expression to statement. Next example. Here given term 5xy. So we have to find out the numerical coefficient. Here in this xy, what is the numerical coefficient? 5. Therefore coefficient of xy is 5. Next, coefficient of 5x is what? 5x is y. And coefficient of 5y is x. That is the answer. Next question. Find the numerical coefficient of given terms. Minus 3yx. What is the numerical coefficient? Minus 3. You don't tell it as 3. The minus 3 is the correct answer. Next one, numerical coefficient of 12k is 12. And numerical coefficient of y is what? Y is understood here 1 into y. Therefore, the numerical coefficient is 1. Next one, the numerical coefficient of 121 BC. So, answer is 121. Here also, numerical coefficient of minus x, that means minus 1 into x. Therefore, numerical coefficient minus 1. Numerical coefficient of 9pq. So, the answer is 9. Numerical coefficient of 2ab, 2. Next, given algebraic expression, we have to write variable, constants and terms. Here expression 18 plus x minus y. So what are the variables here? X comma y. Constant 18. So terms 18 comma x comma minus y. 3 terms are there. Next question. 7p minus 4q plus 5. What are the variables here? P and Q. Constant 5. And terms 7p comma minus 4q comma 5. 3 terms. Next question. 29x plus 13y. What are the variables? X comma y. Here no constant. So 0. And terms 2 terms. 29x comma 13y. Next one. B plus 2. What is the variable? B. What is the constant here? 2. What are the terms? B comma 2. That is 2 terms. Next, given question. Identify the like terms. Given 7x, 5y, minus 8x, 12y, 6z, z, minus 12x minus 9y 11 is it. Here we have to find out the like terms. What are the like terms? 7x minus 8x minus 12x. And what are the y terms? 5y, 12y minus 9. And z terms? 6z, z and 11z. So these are the like terms. Dear students, learn the content thoroughly and write it once, and after you do the homework in your note. Thank you, students.